How many glasses is that for you?
Whatever. Jesus drank wine.
Can you imagine if we land this contract tonight?
Now, what do you think of when you look at that?
It makes me think of the worst thing I can imagine.
Jesus, you look like someone I went to college with.
Hi, Veronica.
Oh my God, this is my husband's party.
Wow. I thought those guys were gay.
My husband's not gay.
No,
we have
I know,
a son.
I
We have a
know.
beautiful son.
Why?
Oh, you're pathetic. You're a caterer, Ashley.
You're a trophy wife, Veronica.
Mrs. Salt, you've been in a coma for 2 years.
What?
You sold all the work. Oh my God. I'm happy you regained consciousness when you did. You're out of money.
You're pregnant.
No family, you're broke. But you look very pretty in your uniform.
I lost everything because of her.